Today we're doing a heavyweight battle between Xiaomi 17 and Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. Very popular for the mid-range consumers. Obviously, these are flagship phones but priced just right. For those consumers that can buy top-of-the-line mid-range, they can consider flagship phones like Xiaomi 17 or Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. We got triple camera setup on both phones, ultra-wide main sensor and telephoto. We got 3x telephoto, a bit aging on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE and 2.6x. I wish 3x as well on Xiaomi 17, but we got 2.6x. So I guess the question today here is, which of these phones would you choose in terms of camera performance? Stay until the end of this video. We will do a full breakdown of their cameras. We are starting this comparison video, Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition versus Xiaomi 17, using the selfie camera, selfie video, 4K 60 FPS, and also the audio test. Look at the details on my face. Also, you would see the audio on both sides of the frame. I think that's it for the quick audio and selfie video recording test. Let the battle begin. On daylight test, starting with the slow motion, we got Full HD resolution on Xiaomi 17 and 4K 120 FPS on Galaxy S25 FE. Checking the image quality, starting with the ultra-wide, we got wider field of view on S25 FE. The white balance is neutral and closer in reality, while we got brighter and warmer Xiaomi 17. Some may prefer the inviting look of Xiaomi and some would prefer the natural-looking S25 FE. On the main sensor, we got shallower depth of field on Xiaomi 17. Again, same tendency as the ultra-wide. We got warmer and brighter looking Xiaomi flagship, while natural looking and closer in reality for S25 FE. I just noted the sensor is superior on Xiaomi 17. We got a lot of noise on challenging situation for the Samsung. And looking at the zoom quality, we got 2.6x on Xiaomi and 3x on S25s. If you pixel peep these images, you will notice you have better details on Xiaomi 17. And going for the 4D zoom, we got better reach on the Xiaomi phone. And looking at the close-up, you also have super macro. We don't have this on S25 FE, but you can use the 3x zoom. This is portrait video UHD 30 FPS on S25 FE and video bokeh or bokeh on Xiaomi 17, only in 1080p 30 FPS. We got better video resolution on S25 FE. Now doing the resolution test, we got 8K video recording on Galaxy S25 FE. And we also have 8K 30 FPS video recording on Xiaomi 17, same as Galaxy S25 FE. On portrait mode, starting with 1x, you would see you got a warmer Xiaomi 17. This is like an image coming from an iPhone 3 years ago. You got warmer looking and stronger contrast, while you have a natural looking Galaxy S25 FE, again, closer in reality. 2.6x versus 2x, definitely you got better portrait mode on Xiaomi 17, less noise and more details on the subject. I like the stronger contrast here though. If you're looking on a smartphone screen, the images are stronger looking. And going for the portrait zoom, this goes to Galaxy S25 FE. It uses 3x for the zoom, so you got shallower depth of field. I like the edge detection on both phones. They're pretty consistent, but you got more focal lengths on S25 FE. And on the selfie portrait, both phones are really good. I just like Xiaomi 17. It's stronger and has more details on the subject. Now we're testing the daylight video, 4K 30 FPS. We cannot shoot 60 FPS on the ultra-wide for S25 FE, so just so you know, cap at 30 FPS for S25 FE. Looking at the video quality, warmer looking on Xiaomi 17 and better exposed as well compared to a darker. I don't even know if it's natural looking, because looking at it on my eyes, I can see the building clearly with my eyes, so this is a bit crushed for S25 FE. Checking the autofocus. And also vlogging test using both phones. Again, 4K 30 FPS. This is what you would look like on both phones. And checking the video stabilization. Now checking the main sensor test. Look at the video quality. Cooler tone on S25 FE and warmer looking and better exposed on Xiaomi 17, which I like. I like the video coming out of the Xiaomi 17. Look at the video stabilization. Which phone is faster? Faster on Xiaomi 17. One more. And the video stabilization. And going for the zoom, we got 3x zoom on S25 FE and 2.6x on Xiaomi 17. This is 3x for Xiaomi. Look at the video quality, better quality on the Xiaomi phone. Going for the farthest zoom, 12x on S25 FE and 15x on Xiaomi 17. We got better HD selfie on night shots for Xiaomi, but the screen lights up on S25 FE for that extra flash. On the rear camera, starting with the Ultra, we got better night shot quality on S25 FE. The colors are great. You got sharper and more detailed images. On the main sensor test, they're equally good. You got warmer looking Xiaomi 17 and natural looking tone on S25 FE. But if you look on pitch black condition, we got better image quality on the Xiaomi phone. Does it have to be the future of us all? And on the night shot zoom, the 2.6x 50 megapixel sensor of Xiaomi 17 is better than the older 3x zoom of Galaxy S25 FE. Alright, low light video test, selfie video recording on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE and Xiaomi 17 is in 4K 30 FPS. We can shoot 60 FPS on both phones as well. Checking the details, you may have better details on S25 FE, but you got better contrast and wider on Xiaomi 17. You also got better exposure on the Samsung phone. Let's check the rear cameras. Alright, so this is the rear camera, starting with the ultra wide 4K 30 FPS. We can shoot 60 FPS on both phones. We got a wider field of view on S25 FE. And checking the details, you got better details on S25 FE and also the colors. A bit soft on Xiaomi 17. Going to the main sensor test. Now this is where Xiaomi 17 shines. Warmer white balance, looking at the details. I think it is sharper and you have more details on Xiaomi 17 on the main sensor. And going for the zoom, 3x versus 2.6x. Again, better optical zoom on Xiaomi 17. And going for the farthest zoom, 12x on S25 FE and 15x on Xiaomi 17. Alright, doing focus test. Alright, Xiaomi 17 versus Galaxy S25 FE. Here's the verdict. If you're in a hunt for a mid-range phone, consider buying and adding a little bit more for S25 FE or Xiaomi 17. Did you see all the comparison videos we have with these two phones? These are flagship phones with affordable price tag. Let's break down the cameras of both phones, starting with Samsung Galaxy S25. We got natural looking selfie video and better noise cancellation. We got 4K 120 FPS slow motion, natural looking images on daylight but noisier on darker situations, 4K resolution on portrait video, and maximum of 8K resolution on regular video, natural looking portraits with extra 3x zoom, natural looking videos but sometimes too dull and dark, sharper and more detailed night shots on the ultra wide, and better low light video performance on the selfie and the ultra wide. While on Xiaomi 17, we got wider field of view on the selfie and better audio performance, more vivid and brighter image on daylight, and also has better zoom and super macro 8K video recording that matches what Samsung flagship has, sharper portrait mode with stronger contrast, 4K 60 FPS on the ultra wide video, better exposure, warmer video, faster autofocus, and better zoom quality on video, better selfie on night shots, and better low light video performance on the main sensor and the zoom. To sum up, we got better ultra-wide performance on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, but everything else from the selfie, main sensor, and the zoom, Xiaomi 17 has better sensors and performance overall. We can cancel some features like 8K video recording and also the zoom, but if you like slow motion in 4K and portrait video, then go with Samsung Galaxy S25. I think Xiaomi 17 is better than Galaxy S25 FE, plus you got better processor on the new Xiaomi flagship. This phone also looks like iPhone 15 Pro with that extra lens or extra sensor, camera sensor. Should we test this with the older iPhone 15 Pro? Leave your comment down below, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.